Hello friends. In this particular lecture I will be discussing about the arithmetic expression. So when arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, they connect different variables and constants, then that particular connection is called as, or that expression is called as arithmetic expression. So here there are some arithmetic expressions you can see. Now, while writing this C expression, you should be very much cautious because here comes the importance of precedence. So, which operator has to be given most precedence? For example, this bracket is having highest precedence. Then, after this, your multiplication, division, and these all will come like multiplication, division, and this modulo operator, and so on. And then lowest will be of addition, subtraction. So if and all the expressions in C they are evaluated left to right. So the best thing is if you forget about this, the what I suggest you to start using brackets because they are having highest precedence. So start using brackets as much as possible. Sometimes the expression may look clumsy, but you can always break the expression into smaller fragments and work on it. For example, let's say I have to solve this. I have to solve this expression minus ab by c plus d, or I have to write it in c. So what I can do is I can combine this a times b, then divide it by c, then this negative sign. Okay, then this whole has to be added with d. So you can do like this. It's very simple. For example, let's take this one. So 1 is divided by the collective x and 1, x plus 1. So in this way you can do it. Let's take this. Now here comes the rule of that power function. So power POW and then x and then raised to 1 by 5. Likewise minus power then y raised to minus 3. That's it. Here in this particular expression, what you can say is 10 plus x plus 2 times power of x raised to 2 plus 3 times power of x raised to 3 plus 5 times power of x raised to 4. Likewise here it is a and then it is multiplied by the x plus y by z raised to the power 2. So what you can say is, so I don't think this bracket will be needed. So you can simply say power then this x plus y by z. So x plus y divide it by z and then raise it to power 2. So in this way you can write the expressions in this in C language. So they will try to use as much brackets as possible. So here, let's say this you want to write. Okay. So here, what you can do is you can assume this denominator as some uh, intermediate variable, or sorry, intermediate. You can assign it to some intermediate value. Let's say I'm assigning it to alpha, beta is already there. So let's say it is in intermediate, and I am saying it is nothing but square root sqrt of the power of alpha 2 plus power of omega 2. That's it, done. And then you can write this final expression as alpha divided by in and this multiplied by cosine of omega times t plus 5. That's it, simple. So always try to break the bigger expression into smaller ones. So let us take the last one. So it is a times x plus b, this divided by c. Okay, done. Then comes the next one. b times x plus 2 times b divided by 2c. So 2 and then c. So it's very simple to write expressions. So if you know the precedence, it's very good. If you don't want to remember or memorize it, simply use brackets. And remember one thing, if the expression becomes bigger, then you can break down the expression into small pieces. So that's how you will be in a position to write any expression in C without any problem. Okay, so in this lecture till this point, so thank you very much for watching it.